They're trying to delete this. Watch now. Nikola Tesla has been regarded as one of the brightest minds to have ever existed in human history. Brilliant scientist and inventor, he was way ahead of his time and has been called as the real godfather of the modern electric age. He was somewhat of a hermit as well, which led to a lot of urban legends. Nikola Tesla was very fascinated with the Great Pyramids of Giza, but what was the reason for his obsession with the Great Pyramid of Giza? In this video, we will talk about the reasons why Nikola Tesla was endlessly fascinated with the pyramids, so stay tuned. But before we go any further, I would request you to subscribe to the channel. Thank you. But first, let's talk about who Nikola Tesla was. Nikola Tesla was a Serbian electrical engineer, scientist, and inventor. He was very famous for basing his inventions around the alternating current, or AC, which was in direct contrast to Thomas Edison's inventions, which were centered on direct current, or DC. Going by this, it would seem even stranger as to why a futurist like Nikola Tesla would be awestruck by the pyramids. Pyramids consists of the Greek word pyramis, which is loosely translated into fire in the middle. Many people think that the ancient Egyptians had access to some advanced technology, which enabled them to construct the pyramids in the first place. But fanciful as that may seem, scientists have been unable to find traces of any such advanced technology within the walls of the pyramid. But this is not the reason, at least according to historians and the scientific community, for constructing the pyramids in the first place. The pyramids were to be the final resting place of the pharaohs. Nikola's fascination with pyramids earned him the title of a mad scientist. What was he thinking? Well, Nikola was fixated with a means of transmitting energy wirelessly, and to him, the pyramids seemed like a giant transmitter of energy. In keeping with this idea, Tesla outlined various methods of transmitting energy through the ionosphere in a patent submitted in 1905. The patent was titled as The Art of Transmitting Electrical Energy Through the Natural Medium. In this medium, he viewed the North and South Pole as enormous electrical generators, which could produce literally an infinite amount of energy. The triangular pattern of energy created was called Tesla's electromagnetic pyramid. This sits really well with Tesla's idea that science could progress by leaps and bounds by studying non-physical phenomena. Tesla's thesis about the energy-generating potential of the pyramids was not only due to their unique shape, but also on their precise location. Tesla thought that the location of the pyramids helped them in channelizing the electromagnetic energy of Earth. In order to capitalize on the energy potential of Earth, Tesla created the Tesla Experimental Station in Colorado Springs and the Warden Cliff Tower, located on the East Coast. These locations were chosen specifically from the construction principles of the Giza pyramids, which were derived from Earth's elliptical orbit and the equation. The pyramids dated back to 4,500 years and were one of the most emblematic structures of the world at the time, and even today. Nikola imagined that these pyramids were constructed on aquifers. In fact, these pyramids were built around the western bank of the River Nile. This theory was confirmed when the famous Maya pyramid, Chichen Itza, was found to be surrounded near a sizable sinkhole cave by archaeologists and geophysicists from the University of Mexico. This pyramid also had underground caves and tunnels, which were filled with water flowing from north to south. The common denominator of all these pyramids is they stood atop underground water sources. Another interesting facet to the construction of the pyramid was that it was covered in limestone in such a tight way that nothing could fit between the two stones. The white limestone used for the pyramids has significance. The outer casing had superior insulating qualities that did not contain magnesium. This insulation mechanism would be of key importance in controlling the release of energy from within the pyramid. The limestone, furthermore, consisted of crystals, which would be critical in channelizing maximum amount of power. Nikola Tesla's work on the pyramids of Giza undoubtedly captured people's attention. Nikola's fascination with numbers was another thing which added to his mystique. In particular, he was really interested in 3, 6, and 9. He is reported to have said that if you could understand the significance of 3, 6, and 9, you could grasp the key to understanding the universe. Although there is no direct quotation to prove that Nikola actually said it, his work makes reference to these numbers again and again, which sort of proves that he could have made that statement. Mathematics is the language through which natural phenomena expresses itself, the medium through which we understand the abstract. So it makes sense for Nikola to have more than a passing interest in numbers. This again leads us back to the Great Pyramids of Giza. One continuing number which we see in its construction is the golden ratio, or 1.618033998875. Now, we can actually see a pattern and a method in Nicola's madness, if you can call it that. What's more interesting is that the same golden ratio was seen in the great works of Leonardo da Vinci's Vitruvian Man and Mona Lisa, and other great works of art belonging to the Renaissance. What's more is that the golden ratio can be seen manifesting in almost every natural phenomenon: galaxy formation, evolution, DNA, and cellular structures, and even the Orion Belt. Did Nikola Tesla actually find the key to harnessing infinite energy by linking it with 3, 6, and 9? Is there some tangible link of these numbers to limitless energy, or is this just wild speculation? What do you guys think? Was Nikola Tesla onto something? Feel free to comment down below and give this video a huge thumbs up if you found something interesting. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video. Take care!